Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun stuff here on our channel. We do everything from makeup and skincare to a lifestyle, fashion, home decor. If you enjoy subscription box unboxings and makeup hauls and stuff like that, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, do not forget, we have a giveaway going on. It is included in the Luxury Divas unboxing for January. I will link it down below. The details for the giveaway are in the video, so definitely check it out. And you could win a free February box. So check it out. But as you can see, today we have the January 2020 Test Tube Beauty. Now, this is a bi-monthly subscription, so you only get this every other month. It is $29.95 with $8.95 shipping, so it is about $40. But again, it is every other month, and this subscription includes all kinds of skincare, hair care. There may sometimes be some makeup products. It's just an amazing variety of products that you can receive in this box. Again, that can range from all kinds of skincare, hair care, beauty, all of that stuff that we just love. So I will put a link down below if you would like to check out Test Tube Beauty. And we will get in here and see. We do have a couple items outside of the tube. They would not fit, along with the little magazine that comes that will go over all of the products. It will tell us pricing, I do believe. Let me check. Does it tell us pricing? It does not tell. Yes, it does. It does. It tells us pricing. So we will start, like I said, here with the items outside of the box. And the first thing I'm seeing looks like a pack of sheet masks. These are like thick. These like gel masks. Let's read about them. But yeah, we have 3 masks. Like I said, they're thick. All right. So this is Soon Skincare Mask Trio. And it is $62 for these 3 masks. And it says a holy trinity of firming and hydrating sheet mask that transforms skin in less than 20 minutes thanks to powerhouse ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Remove both backings on each side of the mask. Place mask on clean skin. So that's probably why they're feeling thick, is because apparently there's something that you're going to remove. So we have Biocellulose Firming Face Mask. Right there. Micro Hole Hydrogel Collagen Mask. That sounds interesting. And then Biocellulose Anti-Aging Face Mask. And $62 for 3 masks. I mean, you're about 20 bucks a mask, or just over 20 bucks a mask. They must do something great. I'm definitely excited to try them. I mean, the Micro Hole Hydrogel Collagen Mask sounds very interesting to me. So we will see about that one. And then we have another item here outside of the tube. And this is Body Squeeze It. Love your butt. Butt is the new face. Y'all. This is a citrus butt sheet mask. Brightening and rejuvenating. It's 2 sheets for 10 minutes. There's the booty. So, it's Cruelty-free, which is great. It says, we are serious about ingredients and taking self-care to the next level in a playful and uplifting way. Our butt sheet masks are formulated to tone, smooth, firm, and improve texture. So you apply to clean skin, keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes, peel sheets off, feel butt beautiful. It says, this body butt sheet mask is formulated with citrus to brighten and rejuvenate your butt. It helps reduce the appearance of blemishes and alleviate dullness, leaving your skin plump, hydrated, and radiant looking. It's like sunshine for your behind. From sweaty leggings to sitting down for hours, your butt goes through a lot. It's as sensitive as the skin on your face, so it's about time you show it some love. So, we have a mask for our booty. And this is $9. It says, a cheeky take on skincare, a citrus sheet mask for the skin on your behind by brightening, hydrating, and plumping. Yeah. So, show your booty some love. That is definitely interesting. That is probably one of the most interesting products I have ever received in a subscription box. Aside from the V serum from the box. They have something for everything. So let's get into the tube and see what we got in here. All right. One thing too I like, because these tubes are like definitely a sturdy cardboard, you can use these for storage, and you can use it as one, or you can, use this one way and then have this as well. So keep that in mind if you do get the subscription, or if you're thinking about it and you do sign up, you can always repurpose these. So let's just go ahead and dive in. Now we have, where are you? Frey? I'm not sure. Frey? Protect Me. This is a daily defense facial moisturizer. And it is $50. And moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant. This lightweight cream defends against UV rays, free radical damage, and dryness. Apply at least 15 minutes before sun exposure. Headed to yoga, no sweat, because this formula was designed with exercise in mind and stays put no matter the workout. Fatty acids support skin barrier function. Vitamins B5 and E fight free radicals, while vitamin A helps encourage healthy cell turnover. Sterols work to moisturize skin, while calming ingredients like chamomile and rooibos mitigate redness. Okay. Not mad at it. Then we have a toothbrush. This tube is something else this time, y'all. All right. Professional Extra Whitening System. 2 tubes. So there's that. And then we have a toothbrush. Super Smile, new generation 45-degree toothbrush and extra whitening system, $9 and $12. An on-the-go kit with Super Smile's most advanced whitening system, a professional whitening toothpaste, and a professional whitening accelerator that work together to eliminate surface stains, plus a patented 45-degree toothbrush. It says, add a pearl-sized drop of the whitening toothpaste and a pearl-sized drop of the accelerator on the dry toothbrush and brush for 2 minutes morning and night. It's all about keeping smiles white and healthy. Calprox in the toothpaste removes stains without abrasion. Calcium, magnesium, phosphate, and fluoride remineralize tooth enamel. Okay. And then we got, this is Naturally G4U. Good for you. We have, okay, so this actually it looks like it could have been a variation. You could have gotten the Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Serum or Instant Eye Repair Serum. And I got the Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Serum, and this is $19.99. And actually, this of the two would be the one I would prefer. All right, so the Retinol Serum, a do-it-all serum that brightens, exfoliates, and firms skin for a glowy effect. Apply a thin layer after cleansing. Just remember to apply SPF, as retinol can cause skin to be more reactive to sunlight. Vitamin C defends against free radicals, and vitamin A stimulates collagen production to minimize the appearance of fine lines. Love a good serum, so definitely happy with that. All right, and then we got Free Chemistry Clean Nail Color, up to 85% naturally derived, made in the USA, it's cruelty-free. Biopeptide Complex. So there's the package. And this is $18. Oh, it's a very pretty pink. I'm guessing this shade could be a variation because the color here looks almost like a bluish purple. A hyper clean long wearing polish packed with natural ingredients and peptides for beautiful pigment. 2 coats are all that's needed for a streak and guilt-free color. Celery seed extract improves the appearance of nail ridges, while a blend of peptides, ceramides, and biotin support nail structure. What you won't find in the ingredient label is formaldehyde, toluene, and 16 other common toxins. So there's that, and this is called Peonies. It's a very pretty color. I'll probably put this to the side for a future giveaway because I get my nails done, so I typically don't really hold on to too many polishes, but hopefully one of you guys will really like it and enjoy that color. And then we have from Renee Ferterer, Style Vegetal Texture Spray. This is $10. A lightweight dry styling spray with vitamin B5 that gives new life to tired tresses without leaving behind residue. Hold 10 inches from dry hair and spray for volume and texture, or apply before styling updos and braids for additional grip. Hair Hero Vitamin B5 adds moisture and cachiol extracts, locks it in for healthy glossy strands that are protected against environmental damage. Texture and volume finish. Okay. This, again, I'll probably put into a future giveaway because I really don't use styling sprays that often, but I do have one from Way. So I don't really need another one. So again, hopefully one of you guys can enjoy that. And then, let's see. We have our last item, and this is, I do not want to butcher this, Kalian, I'm probably completely saying that wrong, Pore White Cake Pack. This is $37. A radiance boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates with the help of fruit enzymes and Amazonian clay. Apply to the areas of the face that need a little extra attention and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Amazonian white clay removes impurities, while a combination of rice powder and buckwheat flour prevents future breakouts by gently removing dead skin cells. Brightening and cooling effects. Soothes, glows, exfoliates. Oh, it says keep refrigerated to enhance pore tightening and skin soothing benefits. This is made in Korea, so this is a K-beauty item. It's one thing I want to do in 2020. I know it's kind of a silly, but I love sheet masks, but I have quite a few other masks that are like this, that are like clay mask that you put on and then you wash off, and I just really don't use them that often, but I want to start using them more because obviously some of them have great benefits like this one. Let's see. So there is has no smell. Put that back. It does have a little spoon with it. So there is that. Now, that is everything in the January 2020 test tube beauty. I will put the total value right down here of this box. Remember guys, like I said, it is $29.95 with $8.95 shipping. So you're looking at about $40, but again, it's bi-monthly. So it gives you time to use these products, see if you like them, and then you receive more skincare, hair care, toothbrushes, a sheet mask for your hiney. So let me know what you guys thought. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.